Don't make a liar out of me. Hi folks, welcome back to another clip. As I explained to you earlier, there seemed to be a problem. This Steripen had indicated a red light, and then I tried it again later on, and it worked perfectly fine. So I think it's fully charged. I think it's going to continue to work. However, it was just a little glitch regarding that. Okay, so now I have the old bag and everything, all the apparatus that I had used for the series of the vintage Katadyn pocket water filter. So I'm going to pack everything back into this bag with the extra accessories. So stay tuned. This is the updated version hose with extra length. And another extra length of hose. The maintenance kit. As I said, it was and may be a tight fit. Steripen. Okay. So, because this is going to weigh basically 2 pounds. Don't make a liar out of me. There you go. There it is. And that can clip in to your, in a side pocket of your pack. You can put it inside your pack or strap it outside. So there's 2 pounds of water filtration system. I know that some may complain about the weight, but anyways, it's a personal preference of how you want to purify and have safe drinking and good tasting water. As far as the USB-C attachments, I leave them in another compartment of my bags, only because they're used for other accessories like headlamps and the battery power packs. So I leave that separate. There you have it.